Close this up.
Nice flowers.
Yeah. It's not open yet. This one na. Open.
What do they call? What's the name of those fruits?
I don't know. We call it karamay.
Caramine.
Karamay.
Let me try one.
It's sour.
Let me try one of these.
Sour. It's not sweet.
Not only is it sour, it's nasty.
Eh, nabig kayo.
Hello, tita.
Okay kayo, kaway.
Guys, tumalikod lang kayo. Guys, talikod lang. Don't show your face, guys. Yeah, don't show your face, guys. Yan na, wala na.
So this is a little swimming pool I built for the kids, just to get some refreshing time here, because it does get hot, and they're just messing around right now. They said they don't want to show their face, but okay, guys, bye. It's off.
Ano ba yun? Natatakya ko eh.
So this is what pumps the water into the pool. We have a well. We have a well, and then no, don't throw water at the camera.
Don't show your face, guys. Guys, don't show your face. Yeah. That's not right. See? Okay, don't put it. See? Ika, sabi mo kung sakay mo sa ito, okay? Okay lang.
No, you got to be in the pool to get some, and you got to show your face. Get in there. Shamay don't want any. Don't splash water on the camera. Actually, maybe she wants some. Shamay, you want ham? You want ham and cheese? Let me see your face then. Okay, that's it. Oh my goodness, look at these little piranhas. Jesus, hey, slow down, slow down. No, not like that. Hey, 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 hey. Slow down, I said. Jesus Christ.
Dito, I don't have half yet.
Hey, hey, little bit. It's for everybody, not only for one person. Okay, go swim. Why nobody's swimming? My God. You still have some in your hand and you want more. Go get in the water. My goodness. And they just finished eating lunch. Go in there, otherwise you're not getting any. No, she allowed not in the water. My goodness, look at that's why I call them piranhas. I gotta back up. Otherwise you'll be gone in 2 seconds. What? There is no more ham. Look, it's gone. Oi! I gotta get out of the way because they'll attack me. Love you too. Yeah, everybody loves me because I give them treat. You're welcome. Welcome. Okay, enjoy the water. Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
Jessica.
And what grade are you going to next year? First grade? Okay. So today is graduation day here in the Philippines. And she's going to first grade next year. Then next one is name?
My name is Eliza.
Eliza Marie Hipolito. And what grade are you going to next year?
3.
Third grade. Okay, third grade. Okay, next one. What's your name?
Hello, I'm Justin.
And what grade are you going to next year?
4.
Fourth grade. Okay. Next.
Hi, my name is Sheila.
Sheila May Awiyan.
Alina.
Okay, say your full name.
My name is Sheila May Awiyan.
And what grade are you going to next year?
Grade 6.
Grade third grade. Okay.
Grade 6.
Grade 6?
Yeah.
Okay. Sixth grade. Okay.
Come in.
Kamay. Oh, you're not kidding. Can you take your hair off your face?
What? Okay.
What's your name and what grade are you going to next year?
I'm Lisa May. It's Alina.
And what grade are you going to?
Grade 8.
Grade 8. Okay, 8th grade.
I'm just finished that.
What grade are you going to next year?
Grade 8.
Grade 8. Okay, so both of you going to 8th grade. Okay, very good. So congratulations on your graduation, everybody. Signing out.